Hi guys, it's Crystal. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So I'm going to do another short, fun video for you. Maybe you remember this one that I just did not too long ago. It's the same. I'll be giving my 70s too. I don't need all of this the same yarn. So yes. Look for a giveaway for some of this soon. It's not that I don't like it, I do. I can't use this much of it. It's too much. It's too much. What am I gonna do with all this? I don't need it all. So I like to, come on, be different. I thought ordering them a week apart would kind of make a difference, because last time I did mystery boxes, I got different, but different in when I ordered them separate, but not this time. We made them all the same, We did a million mystery boxes and they're all the same. You're never getting anything different. Yes, it's Flying and Brand mystery boxes. That particular video, if you watched it, I received 6 boxes with all the same yarn. Now please note that I know that the likelihood of receiving the same yarn is highly possible, considering they say that you could possibly, more than likely, receive the same yarn if you buy more than one. So in that particular video, if you didn't watch it, I bought 4, then a week later then I bought 2. They were all the same. Guess what? A week later I bought 2 more, and I got 2 Santa sacks in hopes that they would be different. Let's open it up and see if they're the same or not. So I got asked, why do I buy them if I know they're going to be the same? Well, you don't really know if they're going to be the same. You know, I've gotten some that were different. Not often, but it does happen. But mainly I buy them for the sheer fun of an entertaining video and to give it away to my subscribers. So, because like I said, there's so much of it, I don't need it all. But let's open it up. So I do have a tutorial for that poncho and this hat. I'll put links to both of those below in the description box. Also in the comment section, if you look there, I will pin some links and stuff to the comments. It'll be the first comment from me. 2 mystery boxes, and then I got 2 of their Santa sacks. Maybe, just maybe, they'll be different. Maybe at least the Santa sacks will be different than these mystery boxes. So, let's see if they're the same ones I got last time. Oh my gosh. Yes, indeed. They are the same. More purple. more green. And more of the same color of the relined yarn. I can only assume. It's funny to me because I figured it was going to be like this. It's okay. Like I said, I do it because I do it for the fun video, and I'm going to put it in a giveaway anyway, because I can only use so much of the same yarn. I got like 67 balls of this yarn. And this one. You gotta laugh at the funny. It's funny. Look at that other video if you haven't seen it. Okay, now I got 2 Santa sacks. I have hopes that these are going to have different yarn in them. Maybe the same in each one, but different than all those mystery boxes I got. Oh, it's different! It's different! Oh, I can't believe it. It's different. I've seen so much of this. I can't handle any more of this. I can't handle it. It's beautiful. I love it. But like I said, it's too much. It's too much. I'm going to have a big giveaway with it. It's too much. Okay. Oh, let's see what we got in here. Okay. So, I got some homespun stripes. Now, homespun is not my favorite, but I don't mind it that much. I can make a project with it. I don't have a lot of homespun here. It's very pretty blue and purple stripes. Still, it's purple yarn. I think I got my last one. My gosh. More of this! But in a different color though. It's red. I don't have the red here. Now one time I did buy the red, but I gave it away in a giveaway. More of it. More twisted cotton blend. So that's what all this green stuff is. You need to watch the other video. It's funny. I'll put a link to that below in the comment section. Yeah, at least it's a different color though this time. And then I got, ooh, I like this actually. I really do. And this I'll probably keep. This is their cotton candy blend. And I love this one. It is white with little neon colored streamers that run through it. So yes, I have had this. I have used this. I've had it in a couple different colors. I don't believe I have this color though. It's a cotton polyester blend, 271 yards of a lightweight 3. I think that it's very cool. So this one, yeah, hey, this was worth all the fun. And then getting this was worth all those boxes. And being able to give away a lot of this to other people is going to be a lot of fun, because that's my favorite videos to do, is giving away yarn. Is this one going to be the same? I think it's going to be the same, but that's okay. I can handle 2 of the same. Oh, it's the same. Okay, okay. More purple homespun, which is fine. You know, I'll probably keep that homespun. I have a jacket I made. I think I mentioned this before, long time ago when I first started my channel. A coat, actually, a woman's coat. I made it out of homespun, and I've been wanting to redo it. I actually have, in my mystery boxes I got a couple months ago from Lion Brand, I had gotten some cakes of brown homespun, and I actually got 6 of those. And I was kind of hoping I would get another 3-pack so I could make that coat. But I had all these mystery boxes this time, and the ones I just opened yesterday. And no, I didn't. I didn't get it. I was hoping I would get another 3-pack of it. But I'll just buy it then, since I didn't get it. But I did get this purple. It's not enough to make my coat, but it's really pretty. I like it. I like it with the green. I think it looks cool. And I've never used the homespun stripes before, I don't think. Only the regular homespun petunia stripes. Ooh, petunias are my favorite annual flower. Well, here where I live in Illinois, they're considered an annual, which means that they only come back. I have to replant them every year, but I love them a lot. That's pretty. So I got another one of these in the red. So I have like I said, like I don't know what I got. I might keep these reds. I like to keep the reds, maybe. And I got like 105 cakes of the of the green. That's an exaggeration. I don't have that much, but I do have a lot of those green ones. And I got 3 more of these, which I will keep those also. So yes, it was a good time again. So the Santa sacks contain different things than the mystery boxes. So, like I said in the previous video, you didn't see that, I got so much of these purples, I cannot keep them all. I might keep a couple packs because that's enough to make me anything that I want to make. I will not keep the rewind because I already have a pack of 3, and I don't need no more than that. And like I said, I got like 67 balls of that yarn now. And I was going to keep a couple packs of these, but I think I'm going to keep it in the red instead and give away all the packs of these that I have. So here shortly, not on this video, but really soon, I'm going to have a couple winners for all of this yarn, other than what I said I was going to keep, and giveaways. So not only it's just fun to open them, because, you know, it's fun to talk yarn with you guys and laugh with you guys, even though, you know, it's over the camera, it's still fun. But I also get the opportunity to bless a couple people in the process. So look for that video, okay? Thanks. Thanks for sharing the fun with me. I love all of you guys, okay? Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.